if you know you're tying your aso-oke without what's it called, office pin, make sure that it's very tight, like firm, so you don't get digging it down and you realize that otijabo. Simple. Guys, my neighbors, they just don't on their generator. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to ASHUTOSH, aka.prestige. We'll talk about faith, relationship, marriage, business, school life, food, beauty, fashion, name it. Everything generally that entails around life. So I'll be discussing all of these amazing topics over here on this channel. So if this sounds like what you would love to see, please do it by clicking on the subscribe button. If you haven't, don't forget to like, comment, and share. But most importantly, don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you get to be notified when next we upload another video. So last, I'm going to be tying my over 17 years aso-oke, which is hair tie that I inherited from my mom. I did a video of me using it for the first time to church, but I did not show the process of how I was able to tie the scarf. So in today's video, I'm going to be tying the scarf today. I'm going to be tying it for you all to see, but definitely in a different way, because the one that I did that time, I used office pin, but now I don't know where my office pin are, and I'll be tying this scarf without using any mirror. So stay tuned and don't go nowhere. But I'll be showing you guys the attire, which is the clothes I'll be using this blue, hence this blue. I'll be changing into this shortly now for you guys to see the scarf. So stay tuned. I'm gonna wear it. Change. So I'm back. I have changed into the outfit. I love this outfit like so much. It's so simple and very, very comfy. It's a little bit of stones, but let's get right into it. So this is the scarf. If you haven't seen the other video, please go check it out. It's on my page. Okay, so this is the scarf. I don't even know how to go about it, but I'll try. I think I want to start from behind. I don't know if you guys can see what your girl is doing. Starting from behind. I'll make one side longer than the other. Okay. Then so yeah, I have no idea what I am doing, but hopefully, hope it turns out really, really well. And please, if you know you're tying your aso-oke without what's it called, office pin, make sure that it's very tight, like firm, so you don't get digging it down and you realize that otijabo means it has fallen off. Okay, tie it as tight as possible. Father, your baby girl has no idea of what she just did, but in case if it's not properly placed so if you have seen this video to this extent, please rate this look and this attire. Then I think I would like to tuck this one in a bit. I don't know how it's looking like, but and then pull it a bit backward. I kind of feel like I'll be looking so funny. So this is it. Let me turn for you guys to see the back. So rate my tying skill. You know, the other time that I actually tied it, I was looking at the mirror in the bathroom. The big mirror that I have is broken, so I decided to try this on camera where I don't get to see, because I'm actually filming with the back of my phone camera, so I don't get to see what I am doing, so that the video will be sharp. So this is it. I'll quickly go touch up my face and show you guys the finished look. So I'll quickly go do a touch up. While using the mirror to do my touch up, I will check and see if there's any adjustments that I need to do, and I'll come back and show you guys the finished look. But please also rate my tying skills. What do you think? How do I look? Let me know in the comment section. Who's that girl? Who's that girl? La 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 la. Who is that girl? La 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 la. Guys, I'm done. So this is how the makeup turned out to be. So let me just accessorize with a little bit of ring, bracelet, and wristwatch, so you guys get to see the finish. Bride price just gone. Hi babies. Hi. So if you want to go simple, you just go this way. Simple. Guys, my neighbors, you just don't know your generator. You can go this way, looking simple, you know, I know, and you're good to go. But I want to try another accessory so you guys get to see it and tell me if you want to go just simple. This is it. But wait for the next one. That girl, la, 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 who's that girl? La, la,